I'd now like to turn to another C40 Vice Chair of the Governor of Jakarta, Anies Baswedan. You also have 2 minutes, Governor.
Thank you, Mr. Miller. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, good morning, everyone. The Honorable UN Secretary General, Mr. Antonio Guterres, fellow governors and mayors, ladies and gentlemen. It's the city government has a duty to provide livable living environment for its residents, and this includes addressing climate change impact by making efforts to reduce cities' carbon emissions. Cities globally have done so by putting in place commitments and resources in establishing climate action plan and delivering actions in transportation strategies, building codes, promoting clean energy, and many, many more. So, ladies and gentlemen, cities across the globe are taking bold actions. So is Jakarta. Jakarta commits to be a climate resilient city, and at the moment, Jakarta is moving from car-oriented development to transit-oriented development. And Jakarta is leading in sustainable transportation and mobility transportations, and we would like to continue even further. So in these occasions, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to propose the assistance that cities needs from the UN. The UN may have a big role for supporting cities across the globe. First of all, the UN could encourage countries to acknowledge the achievements of climate actions at the city level, and that need to be calculated as part of national determined contributions of climate actions. Secondly, within the United Nations capacity, the organizations could lend a hand to foster vertical and horizontal integrations at actions and at policy levels. Lastly, toward the COP26, the United Nations could also support countries to develop comprehensive architecture and financing structure to translate the benefit that are obtained by national government in the global forum to be executed at the local level. Thank you very much.
If I may interrupt, I just would like to say that we are fully on board with your suggestions. We'll do our best with our agencies and country teams to fully support your perspective and in our global advocacy with governments to do exactly what you ask us to do in relation to your own governments.
Thank you very much. Truly appreciate it.
Well, Governor Baswedan, you've already influenced the United Nations with 2 minutes. Imagine if you had 4 minutes.
Thank you.
Sementara kita punya seorang tokoh saat ngomong bahasa Indonesia pun sering salah ngomong. Bahkan salah ngomongnya ini sampai mengundang kontroversi-kontroversi yang berkepanjangan. Nah, di belahan Indonesia yang satu ini, di ibu kota kita tercinta DKI Jakarta, gubernurnya Bapak Anies Baswedan ini kita ketahui selama periode kepemimpinannya hingga saat ini jarang sekali mengeluarkan pernyataan-pernyataan yang nyeleneh, salah ngomong, ataupun pernyataan-pernyataan yang dapat dipelintir oleh para oposisi. Tidak hanya itu saja, ternyata dalam kabar yang satu ini kita mengetahui fakta lain bahwa saat beliau berbicara dengan bahasa Inggris sekalipun, ini terdengar begitu fasih saat mengucapkannya, lancar banget. Ya walaupun saya mah sebagai rakyat jelata nggak terlalu ngerti lah ya apa yang beliau bicarakan, tapi yang saya rasakan dan beberapa komentar dalam kabar yang screenshotnya barusan kami tampilkan, semuanya berpendapat yang kurang lebih sama. Saya juga pengen tahu nih pendapat para sahabat Saiful Zaman sekalian mengenai kemampuan Bapak Anies Baswedan ini dalam berbahasa Inggris. Kita simak videonya bersama.
Thank you, Mayor Garcity. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon us. Good evening, good morning, everyone. Mayor Garcity, fellow governors, mayors, ladies and gentlemen. But first of all, allow me to express my appreciations. Would like to welcome the United States back on track to reach the goals of the Paris Agreement. This is indeed great news for all of us across the globe. And also would like to welcome Mayor Durkan from Seattle and Mayor Konik Yermeer from Stockholm, who joined the C40 Steering Committee. This is indeed a good news too, since more countries, more cities, more institutions, even more individuals joining the climate actions to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, the better for our missions. It will definitely flourish more collaborations. Now, as we know, cities across the globe are taking bold actions about the urgency and the necessity of ambitious climate actions. So does Jakarta. Allow me to share that we developed our own Paris Agreement compliant climate action plan. And this is anchored on a robust target for 2030 and 2050. And we're focusing on key sectors such as transportation sectors. Now, Jakarta is also actively engaged with our stakeholders to advocate the importance and the urgencies of having ambitious climate action plans which are complied with the Paris Agreement. So fellow mayors, fellow governors, allow me also to report that to push further the concrete work on advocacy, Jakarta is undertaking collaborative work with the Indonesian Provincial Government Associations and also the UCLG aspect. And with our partners, we are currently recruiting several cities in Indonesia to join City Race to Zero movement. And the City Race to Zero movement is being introduced as a movement that hopefully it could advocate the vertical and the horizontal integrations in terms of climate policies, financings, and actions for cities in Indonesia and also in Asia Pacific. And by the way, we have two upcoming agenda to discuss further on these issues. First, on June 24th, which is organized specially for Indonesian cities, and by the end of June for Southeast Asia cities as part of the ASEAN major forums. So fellow governors and mayors, in this meeting, allow me to propose. So Mayor Garcia would like to propose suggestions to C40 to provide assistance for translating the City Race to Zero campaign materials into local languages. Because I think this will be very helpful for cities if the materials is in local languages and it may be needed for many. In fact, we are in Jakarta is initiating the translations of Cities Race Zero materials to Indonesian languages so that it could be more understandable for our local stakeholders across Indonesia. And lastly, in preparations for the COP26, Jakarta has had agreed with the UK Embassy here in Jakarta to organize a side event. And in addition to that, we're also in conversations with the UN Research Institute for Social Development. So we hope this event can be a platform to elevate the voice of mayors to achieve our climate mitigations and adoption targets. So that's all from us here in Jakarta. Thank you for your attention. Good morning, good evening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Dan untuk para subscriber Saiful Zaman yang mengerti dan memahami bahasa Inggris dengan baik, silahkan komen di bawah. Menurut analisis Anda, bagaimana nih bahasa Inggrisnya Bapak Anies Baswedan? Ya, sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.